The product accessories are complete, ready to use. Long press the red button to turn it on. 2-in-1 oscilloscope multimeter, 10 mHz, 48 m sample rate. Auto one-click automatic measurement waveform. F1 can adjust the time base and voltage of the waveform. The left and right arrow keys adjust the time base of the waveform. The up and down arrow keys adjust the voltage of the waveform. F2 can move the waveform with the arrow keys. F3 can adjust the trigger cursor to stabilize the waveform. F4 can choose DC coupling or AC coupling. Long press the save key to save the data. Various waveform types can be viewed. Open the function menu. F1 switchable AC coupling or DC coupling. F3 can switch rising edge or falling edge. F4 switchable probe attenuation X10 or X1. F2 adjustable trigger mode is automatic, or normal or single. One-click switch multimeter. Open the function menu. Chinese and English language switch. Automatic shutdown time can be set. Screen brightness can be set. Open the function menu. Press the arrow keys to switch items. Turn on measurement value. F1 can calibrate the baseline, and the automatic calibration will last about 2 minutes. Do not enter signal during calibration. The product comes with square wave output signal, connection port, ground clamp, the lower port. Probe attenuation can be adjusted. Hook cap probe removable. Port above probe hook. Automatically identify waveforms by auto. The probe can be calibrated with a small screwdriver. Overcompensation. Insufficient compensation. Compensation is normal. Save data. Switch to data saving project. Press F3 to enter data export mode. The data cable that will be connected to the computer. Plug in the charging port to export data. Press F2 to exit. Switch multimeter mode. Measure the DC voltage corresponding to the positive and negative electrodes of the battery. Measure AC voltage while measuring frequency. Switch to the corresponding gear. Measure the resistance across the pen contact resistance. Switch to the corresponding gear. On-off detection. Beeping is normal and unobstructed. Switch to the corresponding gear. It can be measured corresponding to the positive and negative electrodes of the diode. Switch to the corresponding gear. The watch pen can contact both ends of the capacitor, and short-circuit discharge is required before measurement. As shown in the video, measure the DC current. As shown in the video, measure the AC current. As shown in the video, measure the DC current. Replace the temperature line and use the thermocouple to contact the measured object.